Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fivem using your Epic Games version of Grand Theft Auto V without repeatedly signing into your Rockstar Social Club account. While a Rockstar account is fundamentally required to own and validate your copy of Grand Theft Auto V, there is a clever trick to bypass the frequent login prompt when launching Fivem. This process is quick, often taking less than 2 minutes, and ensures you can jump into your Fivem experience more directly. To begin, open your Epic Games launcher on your computer. Head over to your game library and find Grand Theft Auto V. Click the launch button to start the game. It is important to let the game load until the Rockstar Games launcher appears or begins verifying your login. You do not need to fully log in or wait for the game to reach the main menu. Just ensure the Rockstar services are initiated in the background. Once the Rockstar Games launcher starts, immediately press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard to open the Task Manager. In the Task Manager, look for the Grand Theft Auto V process or anything related to the Rockstar Games launcher under Background Processes. Right-click on it and select End Task. This action will stop Grand Theft Auto V from fully launching, but it crucially leaves the necessary Rockstar authentication services running in the background. With the Rockstar authentication services running in the background, you can now proceed to open your Fivem client. Since the required services are already active, Fivem will detect them and automatically bypass the Rockstar login prompt. This allows you to load directly into the Fivem application without any further delays. You are now ready to join your preferred Fivem servers and enjoy your gameplay experience seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.